Visa options for parents of South African children seeking employment. If you are a parent of a South African child and wish to work in South Africa, you can apply for a relatives visa, which can be endorsed to allow employment if you secure a job offer. Short-term visa. As the parent of a South African child, you are eligible to apply for a relatives visa, initially valid for 2 years with the option to renew. However, the standard relatives visa does not permit you to work, study, or run a business. You can, however, apply to have the visa endorsed to allow employment or study, provided you meet the following conditions. 1. Work endorsement. You will need an official job offer and a signed employment contract to apply for a work endorsement on your relative's visa. 2. Study endorsement. If you wish to study, you will need an acceptance letter from an accredited learning institution. Financial requirements. As your child is a minor, he won't be required to provide financial assurance for your application. However, you will need to show proof of financial means at least $8,500 per month to support yourself. This can be done by submitting 3 months' worth of bank statements. Application requirements. To apply for a relatives visa, you must submit the following to Home Affairs through VFS Global. 1. Application fee to Home Affairs and a processing fee to VFS Global. 2. Proof of your relationship to your child through an unabridged birth certificate or a DNA test if requested. 3. Your own unabridged birth certificate or certified copy. 4. A completed application form and biometrics through VFS Global. 5. Additional documents: police clearance, medical report, radiological report, yellow fever certificate, and 2 passport photos. 6. Proof of financial support. 7. Proof of your child's South African citizenship, which can be verified with a South African ID or passport, or an unabridged birth certificate if your child is a minor. Processing time and permanent residence. The processing time for this visa can exceed 60 days due to backlogs. Once you've held work visas for at least 5 consecutive years, you may apply for permanent residence if you have a permanent job offer in South Africa.